Hey everyone, this video is going to explain what you should be doing during the Flexible Instruction Day, Thursday, February 18th, 2021. Your assignment today is to work on the invasive species web quest. And the web quest can be found by opening up the new Unit 5 folder, Invasive and Endangered Species on Schoology. Once you have that folder open, then open up Module 1, Invasive Exotic Species. The only assignment that you'll see in this folder is 5.1.1, Invasive Species Web Quest. So open that up, and then once that opens, read through the directions. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you'll download the assignment. Okay? If it automatically opens up in Google Docs, which it will for some of you, then you're going to have to make a copy of it. This way you can edit and own it, or I should say own it and then be able to edit it. If it doesn't automatically open up, then it's probably because of an update on the Chromebooks that doesn't allow for files to automatically open as Google Docs. And so what you're going to have to do is click the download button, and then you'll see that it's downloading in the bottom right screen. And just like we've done before in class, go to your drive, click New, File Upload, and then it's either going to show up in your Recents or your downloads, and it'll be at the very top. And then you should be able to open it up. Okay. Once you do that, then you'll be able to begin typing in and editing it. So going back to the assignment, also what you want to do when you open that up or you have it open as a Google Doc is rename it your last name and then comma invasive species web quest. This will make it easier to find. And also, I want it labeled this way when you submit it. So what you're going to do is as you're going through and clicking the links and reading the web pages, when you go to answer the questions, make sure that your font's in blue. This will separate your font from the questions. Okay, so all of your answers, just like how we did the ecosystem project, should be in blue. As you visit each of the web pages, make sure that you're thoroughly reading make sure that you're thoroughly reading all the information on the websites and that you're not just searching for specific pieces of info, but go through, read it all, and then answer the questions. When you do answer the questions, you want to make sure that your responses are detailed and that they're really thorough, because this is eventually going to become a note sheet and it's going to be a really important resource for you as we move through this unit. When you open up the web quest, it's going to look like this. So in the web quest, you'll be able to click on each of the links. They're all live links. I've double checked them. They all work. So you just click on it and it'll take you to the website that you need to go to. If there's any issues with clicking on it, then just try copying and paste it. But either one of these methods should work for you and there shouldn't be any issues. Okay. You'll do part 1 and then part 2. All of part 3, make sure to read the directions and thoroughly answer the questions. When you get to part 4, I want you to go to this website and answer the questions about the kudzu and the Asian carp. Once you get done Asian carp, you can stop. Okay. That's the point where we're going to pick up with this on Monday. You're welcome to work ahead, but at a minimum, you want to get to the Asian carp question and finish that up, and then submit what you have so far. Okay, so finish up to Asian carp, submit what you have done, and then we'll pick up with the rest of it on the asynchronous day and then Monday in class. So that should explain to you everything that you need to get done tomorrow during the flexible, or everything that you need to get done today during the flexible instruction day. And reach out to me if you have any questions. Send me an email or a message on Schoology.